Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and through our innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. So, as part of the training programs, we have uploaded our educational modules, module 1 to 16, in both English and Tamil in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel. That's very useful. Module 1 to 4 is ideally suited for anyone who is doing +1, +2 or HSE, whatever you want to call, or in the age group of 17, any stream, not just commerce, even science stream. 1 to 4, anyone and everyone should watch. Module 5 onwards is ideally suited. Module 5 to 8 is for degree holders, and anyone who is doing MBA or anybody who is doing CA, CFA and those kind of finance specialization, they should definitely watch up to module 15. Module 16 is exclusively for income tax on derivatives. That is for traders who are trading on derivatives, and also for CA, CFA students and those who are doing articleship with auditors. So that is in our Fibocan's YouTube channel. Our daily videos which we put is purely focused on market related. So on Monday to Friday, we put about Indian markets, and over the weekends, either Saturday or Sunday, we put about the global markets. In this video, what we will discuss is, in every video, in the daily videos, we will discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch our daily videos till the end. Don't stop in between. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you. Today is August 6, 2023, Sunday. As always, in the weekend video, we discuss about global markets. That is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, FTSE and currencies and commodities for the previous week. That is, in this video, we'll be discussing about the performance of the market for the week of July 31, Monday till August 4, 2023, Friday. So this video is divided into 3 parts. The part 1, we will put 3 videos basically. The video 1, in this part, we will be discussing about Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, while in the second part, we will be discussing about dollar index and its components, and of course USD and INR. And part 3 will discuss about commodities, that is Brent and NYMEX, and also we discuss about US 10-year treasury yield. First we go into the rates, then we go into the discussion part of it. Dow closed at 35,066.15 for this week, 0.5% down, while Nasdaq closed at 13,909.24, 2.8% down for this week. S&P 4478.03, 2.3% down for this week. FTSE 7564.37, 1.7% down for this week. So in this week means it is just 4 trading sessions. Okay, and also for the month of August, already is down by Dow is down by 1.4%, Nasdaq is down 3%, S&P is down 2.4%, FTSE is down 1.8%. Power of technical analysis. I would request people to see last week's video or any of the previous week's video, where we had said that in the month of August we are going to have a fall in all these global indices. That is precisely what had happened. Till now, in the month of July, till July, it has formed a solid green candle. All these indices, that is Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, formed solid green indices, green candle, and closed beautifully high. But we said that it is going to be, technically there is going to be a fall that is going to come, which clearly is shown in the first 4 trading sessions itself. While Dow managed to close above July's, go above July's high, but Nasdaq and S&P never went to the July's high, which means you can expect a very big fall, significant fall in this month. Don't expect any up move. Even any short-term up move that comes, it will be sold in. Which also, when one analyzes the daily candle, particularly on Monday, Friday's candle was very interesting. Thursday it formed a doji, after which it opened a gap up. After opening gap up and taking the previous day's high, that is Thursday's high, still it closed below the previous day's low, which signifies there is tremendous weakness, and at higher levels there is selling pressure. Hence, global markets are going to be weak in this month, of course barring FTSE. FTSE will come to that separately. So what is the candle that it formed? In the Dow formed a solid red candle in the weekly chart, and it formed the first beautiful reversal from the Bollinger upper band. Hence, one has to be cautious. In the monthly chart, as I said, it formed a spinning top. In the daily chart, it is just above the Bollinger middle band. Of course, it is any time that it can be broken. In the case of Nasdaq, it formed a solid red candle and it is just moving towards the exponential moving average in the weekly. In the case of monthly, it is it's slightly bigger red candle than that of Dow. But in the daily chart, it is below the exponential moving average and the Bollinger middle band, like the Indian stock markets. S&P also more or less the same pattern as that of Nasdaq. It is also below the Bollinger middle band and exponential moving average and going down significantly. Hence, there is tremendous weakness in global markets. In the case of FTSE, what happened? Though it formed a solid red candle, but it formed a long lower leg. That means at the lower pressure, there is strong bullish pressure. What are the lower levels? That was the 100-week where it took support and it bounced. In the monthly chart, of course, it is above all the charts, and it is last month it formed a solid green candle with long leg, and we said that the FTSE is going to go on an upward move from here on, which remains intact even now, and FTSE is going to be a super outperformer. In the case of so hence, like, FTSE is definitely going to outperform, although till now it has formed a red candle. That is okay. Notwithstanding that, it's going to go up significantly. In the case of CBOE VIX, which we said that it is the downfall in VIX is going to be over, which has been proven correct, and it formed a solid green candle in the weekly chart and closing above the Bollinger exponential moving average and the Bollinger middle band and the exponential moving average. So in the monthly chart, it formed a solid green candle. Of course, it is a reversal, which we said that it formed a inverted hammer type of candle, after which we expected a solid green candle. That is what till now it has formed, and it will continue to form a good green candle, which is reflected in the daily chart. It is nicely riding along the Bollinger upper band. So with all these things, what do we expect? Indian markets on Friday, though Friday we didn't put on video, we will just cover what happened to Indian markets at a brief level. So the Indian market, because it fell significantly and it was taking support at the 50-day moving average, we had a good bounce. But notwithstanding that, immediately TV anchors got excited and they say, oh, next is 20-day moving average and Bollinger middle band, and then the next is upper band, and then it is sky is the limit. No, please be cautious. Monday itself we will have a fall. So hence, no one has to be extremely careful in this market, and global markets is weak, and Indian market, because it was a technical bounce, one has to be cautious. So that is what we want to say and end this video. And in part 2, we will discuss about dollar index and its components.